Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Today is Friday. Yes, it's the last day of the week. And we have been doing our reading comprehension stories every day. So, yesterday we did the school, I told y'all, which was kind of ironic because we're in school. And so today we're going to do Jan's Pumpkin. And remember, I told you, you always start with your title. Do not forget to put your name, first and last name. Write it as best as possible. Try to write it as neat as possible, but put your first and last name. So we're going to do reading comprehension. So Jan's Pumpkin. Remember, start with your title. Here's that apostrophe again. Jan's Pumpkin. That apostrophe means that's ownership. That means that belongs to Jan. Nobody else, not you, not me. It belongs to Jan only. So Jan's Pumpkin. Jan has a pumpkin. Look at the punctuation. There's a period. We have to stop. Pause. Breathe. Next line. The pumpkin is big. Period. Stop. Pause. The pumpkin is orange. Uh-oh, that's a color word. Orange. Period. Jan will make a pumpkin pie. Period. Look at Jan here down at the bottom. And look at her pumpkin. They say her pumpkin is what color? They said orange. So let's read it again. Jan's pumpkin. Jan has a pumpkin. The pumpkin is big. The pumpkin is red. Is orange. The pumpkin is orange. Jan will make a pumpkin pie. Jan has a pumpkin. Sometimes we have to read it more than one time because we have to answer questions about this. So we want to be able to make sure that we understand what it is that we're reading. So Jan has a pumpkin. The pumpkin is big. It's big. The pumpkin is our noun because it's a person, place, thing, or animal. Big is our adjective because it describes the pumpkin. The pumpkin is orange. Uh-oh. Another adjective. Orange. Jan will make a pumpkin pie. So now let's answer our questions. Number one, Jan has a what? Is it A, a bird? Is it B, a pumpkin? Or is it C, a cat? So what do? Context clues, we go back to our passage. Everything we need is right here in what we just read. Jan has a what? And we're going to underline our answers. Pumpkin. Good job. And then we're going to circle B. I decided to use the color pink today. So question number two, the pumpkin is what? Is it A, big? Is it B, little? Is it C, red? We go back to our text. The pumpkin is what? Big. And we underline that. So now we go back over here. So which one is big? Is it A, big? That will be our answer, A. Good job. Y'all doing an awesome job. And when you circle those, you see how I'm making my circle? I'm trying to make it as neat as possible. We want to make it as neat as possible. So Jan will make a pumpkin pie. So Jan will make a what? Is it A? Did they say an apple pie? Did they say B? Did they say a cake? Or did they say C, a pumpkin pie? Well, we go back to our text. Jan will make a what? Pumpkin pie. There we go. And then we circle C. There we go, C. Awesome job. So today we read Jan's Pumpkin. She's read it a couple of times. Sometimes you have to go over your words. Remember, underline your context clues so that way you know that you have your comprehension questions correctly. You know, I want you guys to have an awesome weekend. Be safe. It looked like it's going to be a beautiful day today. Hopefully we don't get any rain. Ms. V will be doing our video for our calendar. Any questions or concerns, please, mom, dad, parents, guardians, just feel free to contact me. You can call me on my cell phone. Don't forget, take a picture of your work, send it to Miss Alexis. So I give you a thumbs up, kudos, and have a great day.